Hi there, Arcadia. My name is Nervis, a master student in power systems at the University of Boya. I'm also the founder and CEO of NetTech, an organization that is focused on raising tech leaders. So I got to know about Arcadia from beneficiary who attended the program 2 years ago, and I was encouraged to attend the sixth edition of the Arcadia Workshop Series, where I learned from one of the speakers, Mr. Javni Joybert, who taught us on how to start a business and run it. And I was also inspired to attend the 7th edition of the Arcadia Workshop Series, which took place in December 2020. I got to learn from Mr. Zo Bruno, Mr. Pomboa, and Mr. Bryce Agbo Congo, who were speakers in the program, and they taught us on how to start and sustain a business during a crisis period. This has so inspired me that it has help improve in my ventures, in my programs and businesses. And not only that, I've been able to start other ventures that are accelerating greatly. Thank you very much.